I'm Laura Bertoli with Bertoli's Auto Body. I've been working in the family business since 1988. I was raised in San Rafael, I live in San Rafael, and I'm very active in the community. My dad started the business, and he's from Italy, and he brought the fine craftsman values to this company. We care very much about how cars are fixed. We want to do it right the first time. We work with insurance companies to get the safest, most valued repair that we can get for your dollars. What makes Bertoli's different is that we work really hard to get the car repaired the way we would repair our own cars, our mother's cars, our father's cars. So you're going to get me, you're going to get Laura Bertoli working hard on your behalf to get the insurance company to pay for a proper repair. All of our guys are paid well, they're happy employees, so they do a really good job making your car look good and restoring it back to pre-accident condition.
Hola, soy Francisco Calderón, trabajando para Bertoli's Auto Body aquí en San Rafael. Este comercial, pues, para toda la comunidad latina que tiene la oportunidad de verlo, pues que se sientan libres de venir acá para ayudarlos con la colección de sus accidentes, para ayudarlos con la reparación de sus autos. Aquí les ayudamos en español. Siéntanse libres con personal profesional para la reparación de sus autos. Cualquier información, nos localizamos acá en Francisco Bolívar.
Not only do we have great technicians here at Bertoli's, we also have great customers. I don't solicit any kind of reviews, but our Yelp reviews are fantastic thanks to our wonderful customers. They know they can trust us to do the job right, and then they go and shout it to the world. If you come by the shop and get an estimate or just come by for a tour, we'll give you a $5 Starbucks gift card. So visit us at 1345 East Francisco Boulevard, which is on the way down to Home Depot. And please visit us at www.bertolis.com. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest.